XRP, I have been warned, or you've been warned. Something bad is about to happen, right? So it kind of made me scared and jump off my chair. And I want to see what exactly it's for. What do I need to be warned about in XRP?
XRP holders, guys, what is going on with the XRP price? Are we close to a huge reversal back up, or should we be prepared for more bearish momentum and continuation to the downside in the next days here for crypto, for XRP? This is exactly what I want to discuss with you in this super quick video. It's going to be an important one, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's start off here with
So yeah, his price predictions have been pretty much spot on, and the good news about it is he's the one that predicted, you know, that XRP could be coming for another rally. And we are literally seeing here a little chart that the altcoin season cannot decide if it's Bitcoin season or altcoin season. Should XRP grow or should Bitcoin grow?
Meter goes above 75. Let me show you. If we actually zoom out, each and every time when this meter goes above 75, we tend to see a major pullback in altcoin. So I'm still watching for this meter to go above 75, but as of...
So I feel like there's still potential. We could be seeing another pump. I feel like it's going to be a few more months. Maybe it could be 2-3 months, but this chart just tells me that, you know, it's going to take time before we see another rally. And I hope I'm wrong. I really do hope I'm wrong here. And I'm thinking, what do I mean 5 months? Like, could be 5 months, could be 3 months, could be 2 months. But this is just my opinion, right? And I am really hoping I'm wrong here. But just looking at this chart, it seems like that August is not the time yet, but crypto bills, September, oof, that would be super nice, right? I would be definitely very happy if we saw a pump that way.
Right now, we still have a lot of space left to the upside. So this is still a very good time, in my personal opinion, to be positioned in altcoins. Now, also, if I show you the Google Trends indicator, for example, with search term XRP, worldwide in the past 12 months, then you can see that this indicator.
So you can see here the price trend. This is a very good like social volume. It's still not at its peak. So it could be another rally.
There's currently, the search term is currently at 32. And if we go back to the previous peak from December, we were at 100. Even in January, we were at 69. So we're still very low. About 2-3 weeks ago, we actually spiked in July to 58. But since then, we have seen a major drop off in retail interest. And I'm showing you this because it is always a good time to be positioned in the market or to DCA further into this market if you have some dry powder left whenever there is no retail.
So yeah, usually social volume, when it peaks, that's when we saw XRP go down. You know, when it went 100, there was less views, but compared to crypto, that's when it was really talked about. That's when everybody was searching XRP. So we're not even at the peak yet, but the prices are. I feel like the prices inflation-wise were like $4.2 something. So we're not literally at 2017 peak yet.
Retail interest, and currently retail interest is very low. Also, if we go to the monthly time frame for XRP, we can see something very interesting. I made you aware of this upward sloping trend line, which has been in place since the bull run from 2020. 3 touch points so far. We also got a rejection a few weeks ago at this exact trend line when XRP traded at a price. Let me show you. XRP traded at $3.
So yeah, I think everyone is forgetting inflation. Yes, we're getting to all-time highs, but you literally have to account inflation. XRP is like $4.3 at today's time. That was 8 years ago, guys. So that's another factor that makes me more bullish, that we're not, you know, retail investors are not into crypto yet. And with power of retail investors, we can get to $4.5, which would be definitely very nice.
And 62 or 63 cents approximately. So this is the main trend line. To break above this is crucial resistance. The moment XRP breaks this trend line to the upside, I believe the price could really fly to the upside in a blow off top move of this bull run. But for now, we are still
it's still moving towards an uptrend, which is nice.
Seeing this rejection playing out for XRP. Let me also go to the weekly time frame to show you what I'm currently spotting here for XRP. So this is the weekly time frame, and the crucial support to stay above with weekly closes for XRP is actually located around the $3 area. Let me show you. So this is actually the support zone for XRP. We're currently trading above.
This is exactly what I told you guys at $3, a bit below $3. It's trying to hold its rally, but if we go below like 2.75, we could be seeing like a further rebound down to 2.3. Who knows at this point? But the most important factor is it's still not over, and it might take some time. Like the more I research, the more I'm getting worried on short term. But when you zoom out, when you think long term, you're like, hey, that's not that bad. We literally went down, what, 20%, 30%? Again, very normal for crypto. So yeah, just let that sink in that sometimes. But the most important, this is completely normal for the markets. Time to buy more.
Or break below $3. If that happens with a retest as resistance, then yes, we could see rapid continuation to the downside. But for now, we're not seeing that. So I expect...
Like people are still trying to hold it above $3, which is still bullish, right? They're still pushing for above $3 and they're like, oh, please let it stay above. And as long as it stays above, there's still a chance for XRP to go to $4, $5. But it all depends how long can it hold this line.
Maybe a little bit of chop here before eventually we are going to break beyond this important resistance line for XRP. So I believe right now is a massive opportunity in the market, and I think it's only a matter of time before crypto is going to take off once again. So if you want to position yourself right now, if you're looking for an exchange to trade on, I would highly recommend the BTCC exchange, which has been around for more than 13 years. The ribbons.
This one, look at that. Look at this. This ribbons. Right now, the traders are taking a small break
of a push to the upside for XRP, at least to the $4 to $5 area here in the coming days, in the coming weeks potentially. And at that area, I expect massive resistance because these are key Fibonacci resistance levels for XRP. That was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe.
I'm really waiting for what Trump says about XRP. Imagine the world's most influential person mentioning it,